In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to colorize black and white photos in Canva. We'll start with a simple black and white image, run it through Canva's colorize tool, and then fine-tune the results so your photo looks natural and vibrant. Begin by opening a template in Canva. Any size works, so pick a blank design that suits where you'll use the image. A larger canvas can make it easier to see details while you work. Next, head to the Uploads panel on the left. Upload your black and white photo, then drag it onto the canvas so it's selected and ready for editing. Now go to Apps in the left sidebar. In the search box, type Colorize. Open the Colorize app from the results. With your image selected, click Colorize and choose Replace. Canva will process the photo and generate a colorized version, replacing the original on your canvas. This can take a moment, especially with larger images, so give it a second to finish. Once the colorized photo appears, resize it using the corner handles to fit your layout. Drag from the corners to maintain the aspect ratio, and avoid stretching the image. When it looks right on your page, click Edit in the top toolbar to open the editing controls. Then select Adjust to reveal the sliders we'll use for fine-tuning. Start with Temperature. This slider shifts the overall warmth or coolness of the image. Slide to the right for warmer tones, great for skin and sunsets, or to the left for cooler, more neutral looks. If you need a subtler correction, use Tint. Tint balances green and magenta. A slight move can fix odd color casts without overdoing the warmth or coolness. To make any change, click and drag the dot on a slider left or right. Small moves go a long way, so adjust gradually and watch the image update as you drag. If your photo feels too dark or flat after colorizing, increase brightness slightly to lift shadows. If highlights look washed out, bring brightness down a touch to restore detail. For targeted tweaks, use Color Edit. This lets you edit a specific color in the photo without affecting the rest. Select a color swatch in the Color Edit panel. Canva detects the main colors in your image, then adjust it to refine clothing, skies, foliage, or skin tones. This is especially helpful if one area looks too saturated or not saturated enough. That's it. You opened a template, uploaded and inserted your black and white photo, use the Colorize app to bring it to life, and refine the result with Adjust and Color Edit. With a few careful tweaks, your colorized image will look polished.